Greetings, welcome to the channel, this is Ready Set Go, and just when you thought the Tuono V4 couldn't get any more insane, Aprilia have raised the stakes with the new Tuono V4 and the Tuono V4 Factory. Announcing two new benchmark super nakeds with just a single image, Aprilia have revealed their brand new Tuono V4 and Tuono V4 Factory. The new Tuono V4 is even sharper with aerodynamic winglets incorporated into the fairing design to aid downforce. Powered by the familiar 1077cc 65-degree V4, peak power has been increased to 175 brake horsepower, backed by a staggering 121 Newton-meters of torque. Even though this power output falls short against competition like the Ducati Street Fighter V4 at 205 brake horsepower, Aprilia says the new chassis and electronics will enable the new Tuono V4 to still outperform other bikes, thanks to upgrades like the brand new swing arm, which is lighter and reinforced by a lower brace. Cutting-edge road bike development similar to what you see on Premier Class MotoGP prototypes, designed to lower mass and increase stability and traction to the rear wheel under hard acceleration. Controlling all of this relentless power is a brand new Morelli ECU, allowing you 3 road riding modes and 3 track modes, which manage the rider aids including traction control, wheelie control, engine braking and ABS, all of which are illustrated through a new TFT dash which presents rider information in full Technicolor. Elsewhere, the Tuono V4, the softer roadster version of the two bikes, gets a working pillion seat. Aprilia says the pillion is no longer a barely tolerated guest and now benefits from an ample comfortable seat and lower foot pegs. There is also a pannier set available for those of you wanting to go for longer, and this is something the Italian manufacturer seems keen to draw your attention to in this reveal. The new Tuono V4, despite being a super naked, is a bike that caters for comfort, geared to handle long rides, and as a result, the two-piece fairing is taller and the fuel tank has been reshaped for easier rider ergonomics. The Tuono V4 Factory is where things go into overdrive. As Aprilia puts it, the Tuono V4 Factory is the definitive hyper naked. A perfectly tuned racing instrument whose sole function is to be an adrenaline-producing machine. For those of you wanting zero limits and catering only for advanced riders, the Tuono V4 Factory features equipment like Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension as standard. Unfortunately, I don't have any more on the V4 Factory at this time, but as more news comes in, I'll do my best to bring you all the latest. And finally up front, the Tuono V4 gets those awesome looking new triple LED daytime running lights like we've seen on the RS and Tuono 660. No word on price or release date at this time, however the Tuono 660 that was revealed just a few days ago is already scheduled to be in showrooms within the coming weeks, so hopefully you shouldn't have to wait too long for the new Tuono V4 and V4 Factory to be in a showroom near you. So there you have a quick video about these two new bikes from Aprilia, the Tuono V4 and the Tuono V4 Factory. What do you think about these new reveals? Do you think that the Tuono V4 is the definitive hyper naked as Aprilia makes out, or do you think that title belongs to another bike? Have you ridden a Tuono V4? Do you own a Tuono V4? And if so, are these improvements enough? Would you have preferred to have seen other upgrades? Please drop a comment below and join the discussion. In the meantime, if you are new to the channel, then please make sure to subscribe to see future motorcycle content and pop a thumbs up on the video to support the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. I've been Ready Set Go. I hope you ride safe, stay safe. I'll see you next time.